In spite of the fact that the all-electric Ioniq 5 is a very outstanding machine, after all, it was our electric vehicle of the year for 2022. Hyundai is still in the process of developing a high-voltage N variant for people who are looking for frenzied performance. As is the case with other gas-powered models from the N performance brand of the company, the Ioniq 5N will provide its thrills at a price point that is considered to be of great value. It is not just a carbon copy with a Hyundai badge. The N division has done all of its own tuning to make its hottest electric SUV go, stop, and turn in its own unique style. Although it rides on the same platform as the Kia EV6 GT, it is not a carbon copy. Normally, the dual electric motors that are included in the Ioniq 5N are capable of producing 601 horsepower, but, because to the N Grin Boost feature, they are able to receive an adrenaline infusion that briefly increases their power output to 641 ponies. As is the case with other N models, the muscled-up Ioniq flaunts sporty hardware in comparison to its more pedestrian siblings. This hardware includes a massive rear diffuser, larger wheels, stickier tires, large brakes, wider fenders, and a nosepiece that boasts a more aggressive appearance. We were delighted to experience the full product after our preliminary drive in a pre-production prototype, which left us wanting more. Within the Ioniq 5 series, the N is the newest high-performance edition, and it is scheduled to arrive in March of 2024 as a model for the year 2025. A number of go-fast upgrades have been added to the ordinary Ioniq 5, and it has certain similarities with the Kia EV6 GT during its development. Beginning at $67,475 is the starting price for the 2025 Hyundai Ioniq 5N model. According to Hyundai, the Ioniq 5N should be able to reach 60 miles per hour in approximately 3.3 seconds, but, on our test track, it succeeded in doing so in only 3.0 seconds. At 123 miles per hour, the performance electric vehicle also finished the quarter mile in 11.1 seconds.